The dragon is dying. And no matter how hard they try to hide it, the cracks are now too loud. If China was the future, why is the Yuan collapsing? Why is their GDP slowing to the lowest it's been in decades? Why are factories shutting down and ghost cities expanding like digital mirages? Because their empire was never built to last. It was built to deceive. And let me drop this. Trump's biggest unseen victory, the Panama Canal. China thought they had it locked. They tried to control the canal through strategic port leases, political deals, and debt pressure. Trump outmaneuvered them. Behind the scenes, he pressured Panama to walk away from key Chinese infrastructure deals. Result: China's plan to dominate global trade routes got disrupted. The Belt and Road Map fell apart in Latin America. One of the CCP's most vital choke points slipped through their fingers. This wasn't random. This was chess. And Trump made the move. Now, zoom out. COVID was covered up by China. They lied. People died. Pentagon docs now confirm they withheld critical data. And while the world was locked down, China tried to invade Indian land. During the global chaos of COVID, they made a silent push on the India-China border. Modi pushed back with force. What happened next? The second wave of COVID destroyed India harder than ever. Coincidence? Or retaliation by biowarfare? Think. This is what you're dealing with. A dragon that whispers peace but breathes death. Taiwan, threatened daily. South China Sea, militarized. Kenya, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, trapped in debt through Belt and Road. And France, still collecting $200 billion annually from African nations in colonial tax. But when Trump slaps tariffs on Chinese goods, suddenly, that's the problem. Though that's the solution. Factories closing in China, that's the consequence. And the media, silent, because they serve the same system. But prophecy always reveals the truth. The great dragon was cast out, that old serpent called the devil. Revelation 12:9. He deposes kings and raises up others. Daniel 2:21. The dragon is faltering. Their youth are jobless. Their economy is stalling. Their yuan is being dumped. And their dream of world domination is being shattered piece by piece. Because God lifts nations and brings them low. Trump wasn't perfect, but he was positioned to slow the beast, to reroute the plan, and whether the world admits it or not. That move at the Panama Canal was prophetic. The dragon is dying. Are you watching it burn?